The whole place is absolutely amazing. I think that the children have benefited from it and learned a lot throughout the day. So thank you very much to RAL.
Fabulous to see how coming to different organisations develops the students and develops the skills that they are able to demonstrate, and it actually really helps them see that there are employers in their local area that they might look to for future employment. And we never know when that inspiration might happen and might strike, where a young person thinks, actually this is really what I want to do.
I find it so far quite fun because we're getting to do some things out of my and my friends' comfort zones.